Jyväskylässä koulussa Hissit.
KorsoTV Center in Jyväskylä. Yeah.
Very boring.
Yeah.
It's horrible. Absolutely.
Built in 2019, V1K080.
So it's coming.
Ihan uusi hissi 2019 ja B1K0A080.
Just one right.
8 henkilöä tai 630 kilogrammaa.
But this white lights look a little bit better, in my opinion.
No.
5.4.
Ett versus 630 kilograms. Inspected by, you inspected maintained by. Okay. Notice or now describe this.
Yeah.
Häh? Aina tuolla ylhäälläkin soi tuolla. Eikö?
What?
Are we taking second ride?
No. What are we doing now?
Huh?
Second ride. Too short video.
No.
Hey Charles.
Just why this says. This, no,
Train.
it's not going.
Aika uusi se oli tuo.
Generic.
Hei.
Se on 8.
Sensors are not working.
That's